Hi, I'm Ellen from Purelink, and we're at InfoComm 2026. So this is PushGo, our meeting room in a box solution. So essentially, we take all of the essential meeting room tech, all the audio, video, and control solutions, put them all in one box and package them and deliver it straight to you, helping to cut on integration costs, integration timelines, making it a lot more scalable and repeatable across rooms and different buildings. And so if you look here, we have first our touchscreen control panel. So you're able to control basic functions from room lighting, climate control, as well as different meeting room presets. And we have our switcher, network switch, and all of the other good stuff. And so we're seeing people put together our packages in as little as 10 minutes. This is our base package, the PushGo Ultra, but we offer up to 5 different base packages right now that are all customizable, that are completely different based on different meeting workflows and different meeting space sizes. So if you take a look here, you'll see that we offer our 5 meeting room packages. So some packages are tailored for more BYOD-centered meetings, for example, like our PushGo House. So this is an example with all of the products that would be in that. And we also offer an installation guide with delivery, if you're familiar with IKEA. So we label all of the parts and a step-by-step guided instruction manual to be able to put this together in 10 minutes. And because our PushGo meeting room packages have garnered so much success and traction, we've decided to expand with a new line called Eat, Pray, Lift. And so we currently offer 2 different packages for hospitality spaces, ranging from restaurants and bars to worship spaces, as well as fitness centers and gyms. And we have our Kirkwood package for our smaller hospitality spaces with fixed matrix switching. And then we have our Telluride package for more scalable spaces. So that's our PushGo solution. To learn more, please visit purelinkAV.com.